Hello people and welcome back to Dashcam channel that features only the best and craziest road moments scored on Java's Dashcam. And of course, we'll start today's episode off with none less than a crazy cutoff and a rude driver. Well, this just happened. And of course, an NPC pedestrian who crossed the road without bothering to look both ways first caused the accident. Biker was trying to slowly brake at first, but when he noticed that he is approaching way too fast, he panicked braked, and because of that he crashed. Pay close attention at the driver in front of the camera here. For some odd reason, he was sitting on a green light. We have yet another rude driver who thinks that changing lanes without indicating or checking his side view mirrors is totally normal. Pay close attention at the driver on the left-hand side of the camera. This guy was struggling to maintain his lane position, and that could have caused everyone much damage.
Been threatened violently. This is nearly assault, only for another coach stepping in to try and calm it down, all because in this age group you have 7 versus 7 and you have to do rotation to get everybody and he was starting to
It's always quite scary when a driver loses control over his vehicle due to icy roads, especially if it's a huge truck.
Possible that'll make you all want to stay subscribed. That and the general economic model of Nebula has led to some really good exclusive content like our wacky cross-country travel-based game show called Crime Spree and real-life Floor's fantastic series Modern Conflicts, diving deep into recent battles and wars in a way that isn't allowed on YouTube due to their content.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Adirondack Dashcam channel. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, that will make us really happy. If you truly support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like because that will motivate us to put out fresh more content for you guys. And also, while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next one, drive safe and take care guys.